Hello again, Mr. N, working on the proficiency exam math. Problem number 2 from the 2009 sample. Which equation illustrates the commutative property of addition? And you guys, most of you, all of you, you have to remember this commutative property. And probably the easiest way for you to remember that is to think about commuting, right? And when I'm talking about commuting, think about moving from A to B, and eventually, let's say you're driving your nice car here, right? And you're going from A to B. Now, if you come back from B to A, talking about distance, what can you guys tell me about that? That we have the same distance, right? Now, you may think about pretty much in the same way when you approach the commutative property, because the commutative property, just a quick recall for you guys, says that for any numbers a and b, real numbers, a plus b is always the same as b plus a. So commutative, think about switching places, going from home to school and from school back home. You're pretty much covering the same distance. Well, obviously, if you're going to a store on your way back, or you stop to get gas or whatever, the distance changes, but supposedly you just go straight to school and then straight back home. And that's the property of the commutative property of addition, right? So you're looking back here into your A, B, C, D options, and you're looking for something like that. And as you can see, this is a little bit tricky, because in the parentheses, or basically you have more than 3 numbers, but consider every parenthesis as just one number, okay? One number. And now I'm looking for one that looks like this one, a plus b equals b plus a, where you basically have, the same quantity plus another one equals the other one plus the same quantity. And as you can see, looking at my A option here, that seemed to be the right answer, right? Because I have 4 plus x in the parentheses, that's my A, plus 3x, which is my B, right? So this is 4 plus x plus, and let's not use the parentheses, plus 3x, right? So your 3x is B, your 4 plus x is A. And now if you have to change places here using the commutative property, you're going to say this is the same as 3x plus A, which is 4 plus x. It's the same as B plus A, okay? And that's all. That's how you solve this problem. And for your curiosity, if you want to check the others, these are not the commutative property. They're dealing with different stories. As you can see, B, it's, you can deal with the zero property of addition, that when you add 0 to any number, you will have the same number, not the right answer. C is the associative property, where you're basically associating two numbers at a time in different ways, not the commutative property. And option D, many of you will recognize that that's the distributive property, when you have a number that gets multiplied to everything inside the parentheses. Not the case here, because we're looking for the commutative property. And this is it. Thank you, guys.